Hello?
This is our tutorial on
How to go to the internet. And we have Internet Explorer because we don't like Mozilla, Firefox and Google Chrome.
but we have it,
But we have it.
but we don't use it.
But
have
we
it,
don't.
use it.
Yeah, we don't use it. That's some
Because
crap.
It sucks.
Yeah.
It sucks big penis. And you just press on it. You can double click on it, or you can just press on it and press enter.
And then you can see it works.
There you go.
It's very
You got
good.
internet. It's very
And
good.
you can,
And you can see on everything. You can go into pictures, and then you can just scroll on it. And then you can find different
what you like.
what you like to watch. It's very smart,
Yeah.
very clever.
Yeah.
This picture is good too. Oh shit. And then you can go onto the internet and find pages like Wikipedia.
Yeah, that's a very good site.
Yes. Then you
We use it a lot in the school.
can see different things and read different things. It's very good.
And then you can press that. Oh, yeah, that. Yeah.
What the cross, and then it will close.
And then you can see that you also can press down there.
But that's only if you have Windows U.
Yeah, you can also if you have Windows XP and Vista,
Just
And-
the E icon.
and then you can download Rocket
Rocket Dog.
and that's a very good program. That then you can just click right there, and you can see that I play Counter-Strike, and I'm better than you. So yeah, press the annulere button.
Cancel.
Yeah, we come from Denmark,
Your mom comes from Denmark.
and we are better to you. How? We are better than you.
And then we can go into Paint,
Yeah.
and
I got Windows 7, so
it's very good.
yeah. You suck.
Der er ikke så meget med det at gøre. Then you can paint things like you can take a brush or a pencil, and you can paint things like
Yeah. I like it. It's beautiful.
a penis. You can make shapes.
And you can press.
Then you can press Control C, and it will erase what you just did. And you can draw something again. Not very good this time.
I like it.
Then you can do like this,
Vi skal finde lave noget
and
mere.
then you can do like this, and then you can do like this, and you can type. Very clever.
I like
Very
it.
smart. Very clever program. Then you can do different things.
Dig in a box.
Yes, it's very smart.
If you can read.
Yes. But we'll close it and don't save it.
And
That's pretty much how a computer works. You will go in here and
and
magnifier. And you can go into very big things, and you can go in here and type.
More. You. If you can read, you suck. Penis, and then you can see that there is the internet.
please go into our website and leave a message on. It's very good. It's very good. Go in there and leave a comment, then we'll be happy. Yes, thank you.